Hello my lovely friends. We are in Велико Търново again and we are enjoying a wonderful dinner at a seafood restaurant. I forgot the name of it. Raya Garden, and we're having so much fun because the food is absolutely amazing and the wine. This is Pelin. It's Bulgarian wine. Cheers with my cameraman. So what this is it's an herbal wine. It's made of the herb Pelin mixed with wine, right? You make it with wine. Let's see. This right here is some kind of a wild mushroom with salad. This is my fish soup. Let me show you. This is my fish soup. I'm almost finished with it, and it's delicious, absolutely delicious. Very good. I also just finished shopping at the mall. Here we have my cameraman's backpack, and here we have shopping done for the bearded guy. By the way, find his channel. His channel is called Velio TV, and I appear in his videos all the time, so be sure to subscribe. And don't forget, I have a Patreon account and I have private videos there. So I have a really big selection of private videos in my Patreon account and on my website, Tsetsi.com. Tsetsi.com. And don't forget to get on my email list, because I'll let you know every time I have a new private video or free video or something like that. So get on my website, Tsetsi.com. And on my Patreon, it's like combined videos, of private nature, but not so hot. Here we have a lady, like a piano bar lady, and she plays all night for our entertainment. And here I have a salad. It's let me see what's inside. It's iceberg lettuce with olives and tomatoes, and then we also got this cream sauce with cheese, but because I'm eating fish, and fish is not supposed to be mixed with the cheesy substances, so I'm not mixing them yet. And my cameraman, he got the Bulgarian shopska salad, and we're still waiting for 2 fish dishes, because for my birthday and for the town celebration, which kind of coincide. So that's how we ended up here. This restaurant was recommended to us by a friend, and he's also a taxi driver, so he said go to Raya Garden. The things you see on the walls everywhere, this is actually carpeting, so all the walls are actually covered in carpet. I would take you there and show you. Give me just a sec. I'm gonna put my shoes on and walk you over to the walls. While we're waiting for a main food dish, I'm gonna show you. Check this out. This is carpet. Look at this. This is carpet. It's amazing. I'm gonna show you where the bathroom is. They have more carpet there. These people just finished having dinner on this opulent table. And I think that the chandeliers are also like custom made. It's like so unique here. I've never seen anything like it before. So this is right here is the lobby, and we have two flamingos in love. Again, carpeting. Like, I came here and I was like, wait, what is this again? This is carpet? Like, why would they glue, like how did they glue this carpet on the walls? And look, over here on this side, let me show you. This right here, this is the Garden of Eve. Oh, that's, I think that's what the restaurant is called. It's called the Eden Garden, but it's in Bulgarian, it's Rai, means like heaven's garden. So this is Adam, and this is Eve, and they're all made of carpet. And then here you can see where it's been glued. You see? Right there. It's really great. This is the ladies' room. Earlier I was in the men's room. I didn't realize this is the ladies' room. Are you coming with me in the ladies' room? No. Oh, okay then, let's go back. Let's go back to our table. Maybe our fish is waiting for us. People are taking pictures of this restaurant. I was just telling the guy you should do a video. So yeah, I'm really enjoying my time here so far. They actually have a hotel part, which I'm gonna be asking about totally, because I'm all into being in a hotel with a bathtub, because I like taking baths. And no one has said anything to us yet about filming. So that's always a good sign. And I'm gonna try the mushrooms. I'm gonna try the manatarki mushrooms. Okay, a little bit of food porn here. Mmm. Oh my god, this smell is heavenly. What kind of mushroom is this? Is this, do you know the name of it?
Wild.
No, it's not wild.
Manatarki.
Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Very delicate. Very, very delicious. It's juicy as hell. Mmm. Like what? What kind of juice? Like what kind of sauce? Oh yeah. I'm digging this. Where's the napkins? My cameraman had his bib up like this. He was asking me, how do you put this on? So I said, just put it in like this, and then put it like this, and then like that. Right? Did you get it right? Yeah? But I don't wear bibs, so sorry. I don't want to eat all your food, cameraman. But I might have to, because they haven't brought us the fish yet. get the cameraman to do a massage for me later in the hotel room. Can you do me a massage? All over my body. All over my body. Can you do that for me?
Sure.
Thank you. Salad ain't bad either. I think this might be like one of the fanciest restaurants I've ever been to. And in fact, Veliko Tърново is full of fancy restaurants. I don't know what is it about this town that makes it so fanciful from restaurants. Like, everybody comes here, they stay at a hotel, they book a restaurant, and they enjoy food. It's not such a fancy town. It's just that the restaurants and the hotels are like that because they get a lot of tourists here. How long have you been at it?
11.
All right. Well, I think the lady started singing. It's not opera until the fat lady sings, but she's not fat. Is she fat? No. Yeah. So this is my meal for tonight. This is sharan, and it's a fatty sharan. This is what I ordered. I ordered the fattest one that they can find, and they told me nobody actually likes it. Nobody orders the fatty one. Everybody wants to order the skinny ones, and then they have potatoes. They're well done. Good job. This looks like butter sauce. Butter sauce to dip my sharan in. Now, I don't know the name of sharan in English, and my cameraman hasn't received his food yet. What was the name of your fish?
Amor.
Amor. Amore mio. It's some kind of love fish. This is a lemon sauce. It's not butter. This surprised me. I was expecting just pure butter. Like, what was I thinking? This is fatty. This is exactly what I wanted to hear. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being with me. I hope you were able to hear what I was saying because it's very noisy here with the lady singing and everything. But if you liked my vlog, be sure to subscribe, give me your thumbs up, comment below because I want to know who you are and where you're from. And next time I'm gonna do some shout outs to my most beloved fans who always comment, and they come on my premieres with the live chat and everything, like Piotr and like Sergey and all of those cool guys. Thank you guys, and Junior, who's become my best friend now. So I thank you for watching and thank you for following me. I love you. Bye. See you soon. It's very fatty. I love it. Always. I'm having so much fun. Bye. Bye, guys.